Need to free up space or just want to take a break from Smash Party? Let me show you how to uninstall it in just a few steps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap and hold on the Smash Party app. Here, tap on the App Info option. And in this page, you can see the uninstall option. You simply have to tap on the uninstall option to uninstall Smash Party. Similarly, the next way to delete this app is to go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in Smash Party and tap on it. Here in the game's details page, you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure that you want to uninstall this app, then tap on the uninstall option once again. And that is how you can simply uninstall Smash Party. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.